How to fix TikTok too many attempts, try again later. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. So that is a very pretty common issue on TikTok that usually appears as too many attempts or maximum number of attempts reached. So it basically means TikTok has temporarily blocked your login. So what we can do is if you're using TikTok, we can just go over and wait for some time such as 10 to 24 hours and again try to log in repeatedly. You can wait for hours. Apart from that, you can switch network. So TikTok may be blocking your IP temporarily. You can turn the Wi-Fi off and use the mobile data option instead, or you can also try switching to a different Wi-Fi and see if that works out for you. Apart from that, we can clear out the TikTok cache. So hold the application and go to the info. And once we are headed over there, we can just go over, scroll down and tap on storage. And there look out for the option called clear cache and tap on it. If that does not work, we can also tap on uninstall and uninstall it and again reinstall it on our device. Apart from that, a simple and effective method is just going and restarting our phone. So hold it up and going ahead and tap on the option called restart. Once it is done, you can just go over and reopen the TikTok and try again. And it's very necessary that you avoid repeating attempts. Do not spam login button and each attempt resets the log timer. And that's it. Usually these are some of the solutions that you can follow up if you want to fix that issue. If nothing else works, you can contact the support team. So for now, we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.